Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Open Excel and enable the Developer tab first. Go to File, then Options, then Customize ribbon. Check Developer under Main tabs and click OK to show it. Now click Developer, then Insert and choose Form Controls. Pick Checkbox from the list and click the worksheet where you want it placed. Excel inserts a checkbox One Control by default. Right-click to access properties and to set a linked cell such as B2 for true or false values. After inserting, right-click the control and choose Edit Text to change the label. Delete the text if you want only the box visible on the sheet. Use right-click, then Format Control to open the dialog and enter a linked cell such as B2. The linked cell shows true when checked and false when unchecked. Resize with handles and use Excel alignment guides for precise placement. Copy and paste the configured control to quickly add more identical checkboxes. Link each checkbox to a cell and use formulas to create interactivity on the sheet. For example, use equals if, B2, done, not done, to show a status in an adjacent column. To count completed tasks, use equals countif, C2, C21, true, and it returns the number checked. You can also calculate % complete with completed divided by total multiplied by 100. Finally, protect the sheet, but allow editing of linked cells to prevent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.